Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Tarrant County until 8:45. Doppler radar indicates thunderstorms producing heavy rain across especially southeastern Tarrant County. 2 to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are expected. Flash flooding is either ongoing already or expected to begin shortly. Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, service roads, and the like will be affected. Fort Worth, Arlington, Mansfield, Colleyville, Everman, Rendon, Crowley, North Richland Hills, Edgecliff Village, Pantego, and Edgecliff are all in the warning area. Once again, a flash flood warning has been issued for Tarrant County until 8:45. Thunderstorms in a nearly stationary storm complex have dropped between 2 and 3 inches of rain in the last hour or two, and they still have another 1 or 2 inches of rain to go. The flash flood warning stays up until 8:45. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.